Hi lovely people, it's Rachel and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are a new viewer. This is the What's New Wednesday preview video for Wednesday the 26th of September. Had to think about the date then. And as you can see, I've got a couple of rainbow releases and two collections, one of which is especially special. So let's make a start. So the first of the rainbow releases are these Create stickers, so perfect for marking your crafting time, or you know, I'm going to use them as well for little lists of things that I want to make in future, so marking journaling and things like that. And then the other one, slightly similar vein, are these rainbow circle icons of cross stitch. These were a little request from the very lovely Leslie Ann on the Facebook group. These were actually, the cross stitch icon was I think it was number 7 in the original run of release numbers, so very early release, and obviously updated to be considerably smaller and on the little stitched circle, which I think is really cute and goes very well with the cross stitch thing as well. You'll have to bear with me today, I've got quite a bad throat, so I'm a little croaky. So I've made myself, my mug says it's coffee, but it's actually a very nice fruit tea from Aldi. So let's have a look first of all at this kit, which is called Poppy Fields. This was originally done as a prize for somebody, a kit in the theme of their choice, and I've reworked it into the new format sheets. The other thing with this is that obviously poppies were coming up for Remembrance Sunday, Remembrance Day in November, and so the quote on this is, "In Flanders fields the poppies blow," and I'll be donating 100% of the profit from the sale of this collection to the Royal British Legion. I always say it's one of my favourite sheets to design each year, is whatever gets done for poppies, for the poppy appeal. So yeah, and I'm really pleased with how this came out. So these are the full boxes, so you've got a variety there of these gorgeous poppies, and I love all the warm colours, but with a little bit of blue in there as well, just to offset it, because let's face it, this is me, it's going to be colourful. Then the core sheet, so you've got your mixture of different checklists, event labels, few headers. That's, as usual, is the double strip of washi, so that you can, it's not one wide one, though you could stack it if you wanted to. Then the days and dates, one of the very popular sheets, particularly with those of you who are in undated bullet journals or you know, traveller's notebooks and things. Then the decorative sheet, these gorgeous poppies with the gold and the just really beautiful colours. Day-to-day labels, again great for marking out your meal plans, cleaning, bills, all sorts of things there. The mixed event labels, another really popular sheet. I must admit that is one of my favourites to use. Then the half boxes, and I really love how these came out. I just think they're really pretty. And the colours are still quite autumnal, so you know, early November, we're still sort of, could be said to be in autumn, or indeed if you didn't want to keep it for Remembrance Sunday, you could use this through October I suppose as well, so 'cause it is quite autumnal. And then the make a list page with your different headers, list boxes, penguin for every occasion. It's Penguin Joe doing all of the things. And then the washi page, which I think is really beautiful. I think this one's my favourite, the blue. I think it's just come out really nicely. So there we go, so that is Poppy Fields. Oh, and I forgot to say, all of these are on sale at 6 PM on Wednesday, the 26th. That'll be on the main website and on the Etsy shop as well, so you can choose where you wish to shop. Although, of course, if you do shop on my website, you do get your rainbow rewards as well. Okay, so, quick mouthful of tea. And my second collection is a bit of a rework of one of last year's most popular releases, which was the Peace collection. And I call it a rework because last year's piece collection did not have this super cute panda, who I think is just absolutely adorable. I've also changed the quote, and our quote for the main box is "Peace begins with a smile," and look at that little panda smiling away. So cute. I loved creating the piece collection last year, and it's been a joy to do it again with this and just play around with the different designs and things, because this washi just gets me. So that's the full and half boxes. Then we've got the basic kit and a slightly softer washi here. Again, you could use it as one strip of wide depending on your planner size, or you can use it as the two. I had to do the gold glittery weekend banner because I just thought that was really fun. Days and dates. And I really liked, whenever I do a rework of a kit, it's really nice to try and pull out a slightly different colour palette. So in this, for example, there's the pink, and the blue is much stronger as well. And it's just really nice to do that and just kind of give it a bit of an update, because then for those of you that might have some of the original one left over in your stash, you know that it's going to coordinate, or if you've got the original but want to add something to it, you know, you can make it work. And then we've got the mixed event boxes, the little cute pandas, so sweet. And then the deco page, and I have to say, oh my goodness me, this is so cute. I just love it. I love the little pops of pink against the green. Pink and green is one of my favourite combinations. It has to be the right kind of pink and green. Half boxes and the sort of asterisk list boxes. The maker list page. Really, really pretty. And then penguins for every occasion. And the washi sheet as well, and there's just this very delicate watercolour wash effect there, and then the crystal-y kind of effect there, which I just think is really, really pretty. So there we go, guys. Those are the new releases for What's New Wednesday on Wednesday 26, 6 PM. I hope you like them. I really have enjoyed working on these. I mean, I always enjoy designing. It's one of my most favourite parts of the job, you know, is to come up with new ideas and create and put things together and see what works and picking out all the colours and things. I really do enjoy it. But even more, it's always nice to see and hear your reactions to them and what you guys think about it all, because yeah, at the end of the day, I try to take my inspiration from what you're suggesting and try and come up with things that are going to be useful and beautiful for you to use. And I've just made a right mess of spreading those out, but you get the idea. Oh, this sore throat is really bugging me now, so I'm going to call it a day. Make sure to check out the links down below for the shops. There'll be a full preview album over on the Facebook group as well. Do come over and join the conversation there. And don't forget, if you buy anything from the the Poppy Fields collection, of course, 100% of those profits are going to go to the Royal British Legion. So even if perhaps you only wanted, say, the penguins, you know, every little bit helps there, doesn't it? So I hope you'll consider supporting that. Right, lovely people, I shall say goodbye for now, and I'll speak to you again soon. Hope you have a fab rest of the day. Bye.